From Sunday morning, foggy and cloudy skies were reported over Mumbai, Pune, northern Maharashtra and surrounding areas of Gujarat. The city of Pune and its environs witnessed severe cold daytime conditions as well as haze, windy and cloudy skies. The city was shrouded in a dust storm that hit northwest Maharashtra and Gujarat on Sunday. Pune's air quality index value for that day was 96. Mumbai and northern Konkan also reported poor visibility, wind and cold on Sunday. This is the second day in a row that strong dusty winds from the Middle East have reached India. On Saturday evening, visibility over Kutch, Saurashtra, Gujarat and Rajasthan deteriorated severely. Cold and cloudy weather will continue this week. This sudden change in weather caused maximum temperatures in northern Konkan and northern Madhya Maharashtra to drop, making the day cold. Officials said Mumbai's peak temperature reported its sharpest drop in a decade in January. The Santa Cruz Observatory recorded 23.8 degrees Celsius, 5.8 degrees below normal, and the Colaba Observatory recorded 24 degrees Celsius, 6.9 degrees below normal on Sunday. In the coming week, minimum temperatures will continue to fall, but there will be no cold daytime conditions, officials said.